Alright, so today I'm going to be putting a carbon fiber hood on this Tesla 2026 Highland Model 3. And I got it right here. Alright, see how it turns out. Here it is. Carbon fiber hood I got for my Model 3. I'm about to put it on here. I had to use the Tesla app to open up the hood, but if it's like any other hood that I've done before, I'm pretty sure it's just this one, these two bolts, and then of course those two. Alright guys, for video purposes, I realized that these bolts that they came with the hood, they're a lot smaller than the OEM bolts. These are a lot thicker, so I just put the OEM hardware where I put it back, and then I'm just going to use the hardware that comes for the hood. Alright, the next part of the video is now aligning the gaps and making sure the latch is perfectly in the middle. So, let's see. These now. And that's how she looks. Gotta do a little bit of modifications to it, but for the most part, I got it ready. I gotta go pick up my mom from the airport, so I'll be back with this video.